Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to uninstall Wombo Dream from your mobile device. Now let us begin. Well guys, as you can see, this right here is the application that I want to uninstall. Well, it's quite easy. Simply click and hold on the application that you want to uninstall. Then this thing will open up. From here, as you can see, there are multiple options. But what you guys need to do is simply click on uninstall. If you guys cannot find this option, simply go to settings and open the app from there. Once you open the app in settings, you will be redirected to this page. From here, as you can see, lots of options. But right now, all we want to do is uninstall it. At the bottom, right next to open, you will see a button like this that is uninstall. Click on it right now and give your confirmation. And guys, that is it. That's how we uninstall an application, namely Wombo Dream, from your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.